Obviously, as you all know, you sign up to the end.
Where do you get it done from?
Assalamu alaikum everybody. Hi everybody, how's everybody doing? I've just come to Boots just get some skincare, getting ready for Eid. Actually, I'm not really getting ready for Eid. I know this is a bit late guys, but obviously it was very hard because I've been working so much and it was very hard to obviously put the video together. To be honest, I had recorded it but I just hadn't had a chance to put it together, so I apologize for that guys. Yeah, we're not really celebrating Eid properly this time because obviously we had a few deaths in our close cousins, so we're not really celebrating the way we usually do, but it's fine. It's like a family gathering anyway, and after Ramadan as well, it's a nice little celebration. We're only going to go to my sister's house in the evening. We're invited to her house for dinner, so I'll be working in the day on Eid anyway. So I know it's a bit bizarre working on Eid, but I've got a lot of Pakistani girls working as nurses in my team as well, so they're all booked time off before me this time. I'm usually the first one but this time I was a bit slow guys, so obviously I don't mind, everything happens in the evening anyway, so it's fine. I'll finish work around like 2:30 anyway, so it's not too bad. I always change my bed sheets guys before Eid. I don't know, it's something about sleeping in fresh bed sheets on Eid for some reason. I know I'm a bit strange, but I don't know if anybody else feels the same. Oh, it's time for a face mask guys. That's the only thing I love doing before Eid. Well, yeah, I couldn't have a facial or anything, but yeah. Eid Mubarak everybody. First time ever for Eid. I never bought a new outfit guys, but this is new anyway, but I had this from before that I haven't worn, so as I said, I'm keeping it quite simple this time. So yeah, I hope you like my outfit guys. It's really simple, but we just come to our sister's house now for Eid. Enjoy the vlog guys. Guys, I used to buy these spa wipes, but I just looked at the back of the packet and they're made in Israel guys, so try to boycott as much as you can. Just whatever you buy, any skincare, whatever you buy, just look on the back of the pack and just see if it's made in Israel or not. If it is, try to boycott, guys, as much as you can. I know we only can pray for our brothers and sisters that are suffering in Palestine and all around the world, but yeah, we can't do much, but at least we can try to boycott, and it does work, and he's worked in so many countries, and it can work here as well, guys. But keep on trying to boycott, guys. I've joined the Ninja team. I always wanted to buy a Ninja air fryer, but I had this old air fryer which was working absolutely fine, so I didn't want to throw it away or anything, because at the end of the day, you know, I don't like wasting things, and it was working fine. So I always wanted to get a Ninja, but I go, doesn't matter, till it stops working, I'm not going to buy a Ninja. So it stopped working now, so I've got a Ninja. I got the double stack one. I just bought it from Argos, and oh my god, I'm actually in love with it. I just love air fryers. I make everything in the air fryer. I don't have to clean the oven, and you know, cleaning an oven, it's a nightmare, guys. I hate cleaning ovens, but yeah, it's just easy. I come back from work, make a quick lunch. By the time I'm getting changed and everything, I've got my air fryer on downstairs, got my fries, my fish fingers, whatever I want to make in there, and before you know it, when I come downstairs after I prayed and everything, and my lunch is ready, quick and easy, and so quick to clean. And you can obviously separate the parts and put them in the dishwasher as well, dishwasher friendly as well, guys, so you can't really go wrong. So I'm loving my Ninja at the moment, guys.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you so much.